Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating your 11th year on eBay. Today's break's number 721, 721. We're opening one box of 1415 ITG Ultimate Vault Memorabilia. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 4th at 10:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is 10:56 a.m. Friday, June 5th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. One box, ITG Ultimate. Get better here. Ultimate Memorabilia. First card, Joe Sakic. Ultimate Game Used Jersey and Emblem, so jersey and patch. On the front of this card is a piece of game. Let me get it a little cleaner here for all to see. Pieces of jersey and emblem for Joe Sakic, Colorado Avalanche jersey. Enjoy a piece of hockey history. Beautiful card. Nice hit for Colorado. Oh, this is nice. Captain C, Phil Esposito. Nice. Let's just adjust something here. Okay. On the front of this card, piece of the Captain C from a game used Phil Esposito, 1977 World Championship jersey. Enjoy a piece of hockey history as you get in the game. So Phil Esposito, I guess it's most season played. Let's just get this out. It must be Boston, but let me double check. There you go, statistics. We got, oh, it's close. We've got 4 years with Blackhawk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with Boston, and 2, 4, 6 with Rangers. A card, so most season play because he's a retired player, goes to Boston. Yeah, 4 with Chicago, 8 with Boston, and 6 with Rangers. I'll just move my camera so everybody can see. Here we are. Just get it cleaner here. So we got Blackhawks, Bruins from 67 to 75, so 76 with Bruins. Card goes to Boston. Oh, and we've got Raymond Bourque. Complete jersey. Jersey, patch, number, and fight strap. Wow, what a nice hit for Boston again. We have Boston logos all over. Piece of game used jersey, emblem, number, fight strap. Game used from Boston Bruins jersey. Beautiful card. Nice hit for Bruins. So to recap, we've got Ray Book for Boston, Phil Esposito for Boston, and Joe Sakic for Colorado. So that concludes our break number 721, the 1415 ITG Ultimate Vault Memorabilia. Be sure to check out our box breaks tonight. We got 6 of them ending between 8 and 10:30. We got some Crown Royale. We got a 4-box Titanium 1314. We also have a Superlative Vault, another Ultimate Vault, and we got some Ultimate Collections 1314. More appeal all the time. So my name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.